channel. I wanted to jump on here really quick and announce that Avon is selling gel nail stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try them out today. They're from the FMG Glimmer collection and it's Frosted Sparkle, and I already took off my Christmas nails because it's not Christmas anymore. I want to ring in the new year with something new and wintry, and this is just a winter vibe for me, so I'm going to take them out of the package and let's discover these together. My first impression of these nails. Aren't they so pretty? They would be great for any holiday gathering, New Year's, even a winter look, and I got 2 of them. So yeah, something fun and festive for the winter season. So I'm going to try out the white ones first. This is what the color strips come with, just a strip of gel nail stickers. Nothing to like file them down or apply them, you just simply apply them. I wish they had like a little like nail prep pad and a file. That's something they can improve on. I know they just came out with them, so they're probably trying something new. So a way to improve these Avon is a nail prep pad and a file at least, just to, you know, make things a little bit easier. On the back it says you need nail polish remover to apply to your nails that have been cleaned and refreshed. So I guess that's your adhesive for the nails. And then it says to choose a suitable sticker size to match your nail. And it says to start with the pinkies first, so that's what we're going to do. You clip off the top and you start out with the pinky like they said. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do if they don't run away from me. I'm going to try something fun. I'm going to first apply the white shade to my pinky. And it says to not apply them cold. Like you have to warm up the nail strip with your fingertips. So I guess like this, you gotta warm it up a little bit. You can't just apply cold. I don't know what that means. Just right out of the package, I guess. So you gotta finesse them a little bit. Then we peel off the white sticker and then apply it to our pinky. Right near the cuticle. And press. And we're going to try and get that other piece. So we're going to snip that off a little bit and then apply the strip to our other nail. So that way we have an even coating. And this actually saves you money as well. So we're going to press these down. This is really cool. I really like the vibrant white. Really nice. And I'm going to use my nail file and just to smooth out the tops of the nail. You can use any kind of file you want. Then you just simply toss away the excess and you shape it to your nail bed. Shape it around to your nail. This one's a little bit more thicker, so you have to really work at it. There we go. I got that pinky done, so I'm going to do the next one. And these ones fit a little bit better on my nail than the color straight line right now. Right now I'm not having any issues with them like being too short on the sides. Like they seem to fit pretty well on the sides of my nails. So if you have like small nails, these ones might be the best ones for you. Okay, and then we're done. The pinky's done. And I'm going to apply the sparkly shade to my nail as well. I'm going to warm up the shimmery glitter one. I'm going to put this one on top of the white. Oh, and that's really, really pretty. Look at that. You can double these up as well. I'm going to snip off the excess. Grab that and then apply the other end to my other nail. And voila, done. That is so pretty, and I'm going to file down the sides. I'm actually really impressed with these. These ones are actually really nice for my nail. Like, they fit really well. So I'm going to do the ring fingers with this beautiful snowflake design. That's really pretty. They have a lot of beautiful designs in this collection. I'm going to warm it up a little bit and going to take this one and place it on my ring finger. Press down, even it out. Make sure there's no bubbles. And that is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. I am so happy. These are so pretty. This is awesome. Let's hope this one will fit. This one might not fit my finger. I might have to use the other strip. Yeah. I think my nail's too long for that one. So we're going to put that right here, off to the side. Warm up a second one. I'm going to do my other finger. There we go. There we go. Fits so well too. I'm going to put this one back in the package. Re-stick it to itself so that way I don't waste it. You never know when you need an accent nail. You can just stick it on here. You're good to go. So I'm going to let these ones settle a little bit and move on to the middle finger. I'm not flipping you off. I'm just showing you which finger I'm going to do, and that one will be... I'll do this one. Oh, okay, yeah. This one, we're going to do both of them because the design print is a little bit different. Okay, have that one on. And we're going to do the other one. Warm that one up. Oh, that's so pretty. There you go. That is so nice. So we're going to let that one settle too. Get that one nice on the nail. And then we are going to do... I know what I'm doing. I'm going to do the snowflakes on my finger. That is so cool. And they're sticking so well. Ooh. Look at that. That's a pretty, pretty one right there. I love the snowflake design. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. These are actually really, really fun and awesome, you guys. These are going to be perfect winter nails. I can actually take the extra from this one and put it on the other one. Almost lost my nail. There There we go. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are awesome. And they're really thick too, so they're gonna hold on really nicely. I hope Avon comes out with more of these in the future. That would be so great. I have a few extra nails in case, you know, something happens and they get chipped or something. I have extra nails to play around with to make like little accents, or you know, pair them with other sets that I have. I can pair some of them with these ones. I can make a cute little wintry mani with like both of these. Like, so many options to choose from. I put this on my thumb right here. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. I love this white and silver look. So wintry. Such a winter vibe. I'm so freaking excited. I'm going to use the other nail strip for my other thumbnail because this one, a little bit too big. I guess I let my nails grow out a little bit too long. Ooh, smooth that out. They actually fit all on my nail. I don't have to like really go in and customize my nail shape. They're pretty much at the perfect nail shape for me. I'm going to put the extra in the package that it came in and put some tape on top and put them in the freezer. Just in case they don't get ruined, because I'm not sure if these ones will dry out as well. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put them in the freezer. Just going to file down the excess. And they're so freaking pretty. I'm so obsessed with these winter nails. Like, they are just so great to bring in the new year. I can't wait to see what the red ones will look like. I hope Avon comes out with other nail sets because these ones are awesome. I like the quality, I like the consistency. I like the thickness too because it feels like they're going to be strong and sturdy and they'll last a pretty long time. I love the designs. They're so pretty. I wanted to do my nails for like quite a while, so wanted to change out the Christmas. I think I found the secret to filing your nail. You want to go downward instead of like across. Oh, I think I found the secret. Cleaned up around the edges. Now I have nice wintry festive nails. I am so obsessed with them. Look at you guys. These are the best nail stickers ever. With these ones, you want to wait a little while, probably like about 30 minutes to like an hour before you start washing your hands or putting your hands in water, just to let your nails settle with the strips. I am really impressed with the nail strips. I absolutely love these. These are so awesome. So festive. So perfect. So fast, simple, and easy to use. And the prints are just so pretty. Look at that. So, I will link these down below so you can get your hands on your very own festive wintry nail sets. Put together some fun, cute manis. I would love to see them on my Facebook page. Do a little nail fee and let me see your FMG Glimmer nail fees and what kind of fun looks you decided to do with your nail sets. I want to thank all of you for watching me try out the new FMG Glimmer gel nail stickers. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. I'd appreciate it so much. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.